Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to get Instagram URL. First step is open your Instagram app on your Android or iOS device and log in if you need to. Open your profile by tapping your photo in the lower right corner of the bottom menu bar. Once you have opened your profile, take note of your Instagram username located at the top of the page. This is your Instagram URL, Howto and DIY4.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.